Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo B0CVR2PSZ4 and the De'Longhi Dinamica B09BBK81R6, both renewed models, right?
Correct. Both super-automatic espresso machines. But there are some key differences. Let's dive in.
First off, the Magnifica Evo boasts 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool. What about the Dinamica?
The Dinamica blows it out of the water with 18 espresso and specialty coffee recipes. Lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, the whole shebang. Plus, it has My Menu personalization so you can save your perfect drink.
Wow, that is a big difference. Iced coffee is nice, but custom drinks are way better. What about the milk frothers?
The Magnifica Evo has a traditional milk frother, which is fine, but the Dinamica has the latte crema system. It automatically froths milk to the ideal density and is even compatible with alternative milks like oat and soy.
Okay, latte crema sounds fancy. Is the grinder different?
Both have built-in conical burr grinders with 13 settings, so they're evenly matched there. You'll get freshly ground beans either way.
So what about the display and overall ease of use?
The Magnifica Evo has a color touch display, which sounds modern. The Dinamica has an LCD display. Some people might find a touchscreen easier to navigate. But the Dinamica's LCD is supposed to be intuitive.
Anything on size and weight? I don't want something that takes up half my counter.
The Dinamica is slightly smaller in depth and width, but taller. It's also a bit heavier at 23.2 pounds compared to the Magnifica Evo's 20.8 pounds.
Okay, so the Dinamica is a bit of a beast. And both are renewed, so they've been inspected and tested. What's the catch?
Well, the Dinamica is currently unavailable. We don't know when or if it'll be back in stock. The Magnifica Evo, on the other hand, seems to be available.
That pretty much settles it then, doesn't it? Availability is key. Even if the Dinamica has all the bells and whistles, I can't buy it if it's not there.
Precisely. The Magnifica Evo might be the more practical choice right now, especially if you need a machine sooner rather than later.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.